Um, Thank you for meeting me today.
Of course. I'm happy to be here.
I was a little late. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I just arrived too.
It's raining a lot today. The weather feels quiet.
Yes. Rainy days make cafes feel calm.
I like that. It helps me relax.
What are you holding?
Oh, it's a small note. I wrote some English sentences.
Really? Can I hear one?
Okay. I am happy to sit here with you.
That's a lovely sentence. Very clear and natural.
Thank you. I practiced many times.
What are you drinking?
Coffee. It's hot, but good.
I'm drinking tea. It smells nice.
Do you come to this cafe often?
Sometimes. I like to read here.
English books?
Yes, simple ones.
I want to read English books too, but I feel slow.
That's normal. Reading slowly is okay.
Really?
Yes, speed comes later.
Can I ask you something?
Of course.
How did you learn English so well?
Hmm. I listened every day. And I wasn't afraid to make mistakes.
I'm afraid sometimes.
I understand. But mistakes are part of learning.
Then I'll try to be brave.
That's a great decision. Let's practice one more sentence.
Okay.
It is raining, but I feel warm inside.
It is raining, but I feel warm inside.
Perfect.
I feel proud. Even small sentences matter.
They do. Every sentence is progress.
I'm glad we met today.
Me too. This is a nice moment.
The rain, the cafe, and English practice.
The perfect combination.
Let's meet again. Maybe next week?
I'd like that. We can practice more.
Yes. I'll bring more sentences.
Take your time. Learning is a journey.
Then I'm ready to continue.
Hey, are you feeling okay?
Um, I'm not sure. I feel a little tired.
Tired or worried?
Maybe both. My head feels full.
I understand. Rainy days can make us feel quiet inside.
Yes. The rain is very strong today.
It sounds slow, but heavy.
I don't talk much when I feel like this.
That's okay. You can talk when you're ready.
Thank you. That helps.
Would you like some tea?
I already have some. It's still warm.
Good. Warm drinks are nice on days like this.
Sometimes English feels difficult, especially when I'm tired.
Yes, learning is harder when we're tired.
I forget words, and I feel slow.
Being slow is not bad. Slow means careful.
Careful. I like that word.
You're learning more than you think.
Can we practice something easy?
Of course. Let's keep it simple.
Okay.
Try this sentence. I am sitting in a quiet room.
I am sitting in a quiet room.
Very good.
I feel calmer when I say it.
Words can do that. They help us understand our feelings.
Can I say another sentence?
Yes, please.
It is raining, and I am resting.
That's a beautiful sentence.
Really?
Yes, it sounds peaceful.
I want my English to sound peaceful.
It will, little by little.
I'm glad you're here with me.
I'm glad too.
The rain is still falling
Yes, but inside, it's warm.
and quiet.
Let's sit for a moment. No talking.
Okay,
I feel better now.
I'm happy to hear that.
Thank you for listening.
Anytime. Tomorrow, Let's practice English again.
Yes, we'll continue together.
Hey, are you okay?
Yeah, I think so.
You look a little upset. Did something happen?
I'm just tired and hungry.
That makes sense. We've been shopping for a long time.
I didn't know groceries could feel so stressful.
They can be, especially when the store is crowded.
I don't like crowded places. There are too many people.
I know. Let's take it slow.
What do we still need?
Let's see. We need milk, eggs, and vegetables.
Just a few things then.
Yes, we're almost done.
I think I forgot the list at home.
That's okay. We can remember together.
Together sounds better.
Do you want to get the vegetables?
Sure. Which ones?
Tomatoes and carrots, please.
Tomatoes and carrots.
Perfect.
English is easier when we talk like this.
Yes, simple words are powerful.
Sometimes I worry my English sounds angry.
It doesn't. Your face just looks serious.
Oh, I didn't know that.
It's okay. Now you know.
Learning English also means learning expressions.
Exactly.
Can we practice one sentence?
Of course.
I am buying food at the supermarket.
Very good. Try another one.
The store is busy, but I am calm.
That's an excellent sentence.
I feel calmer now.
Me too.
Thank you for staying patient with me.
Always.
Let's go to the checkout.
Yes, then we can go home.
Home sounds nice.
You did well today.
So did you.
Let's keep practicing English, one day at a time.